Well, what do we have here is a dent in the wall. How did that happen? Well, somebody opened the door there and it hit the wall. You know what we need? We need a door stop. And I know it seems ridiculously simple, but it's really important. Basically, we're going to come down here. We're going to screw this into the door here. So when the door opens, it stops right there and prevents any damage to the wall. Now, what I like to do is simply close the door so we can get some leverage. And I'm going to start screwing this in with my hand and then finish it off with a crescent wrench. Some people put it in the trim against the wall. I like to put it on the door because that way we're not going to trip over it. Okay, now open the door. Now that is much better. It's got a little buffer there. I guess my next job is to fix the hole.